Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about how to do problems involving angle of elevation and depression. It's actually very simple. Basically it's all about right angle triangles. So generally the steps are like that. All these questions will involve right angle triangles, and with right angle triangles you will use Trigo ratios, which is also called so. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to draw that right angle triangle just by looking at the story here, the question, and then from there fill out whatever angles or sides of the triangle you can have based on the information you have, and then use your Trigo ratio to solve for either the angle or the side depending on the question. So for example, let's say that over here I have a question that says, okay, I got an angle of elevation from the top of a tower. Okay, so you see that I've already drawn a right angle triangle. So clearly the tower needs to be here because this is the ground and the tower must be upright. Okay, so they say the tower has a height of 43, so hence this tower is 43. Okay, then from a point on the ground, so on the ground is either here or here, and then what you are looking at the top, you're looking at the top of the tower, and the tower is and the angle is 34, so clearly it has to be here. So this point on the ground is here. When you look up at the tower top is 34. So basically I have these two numbers here. So what did the question want to ask me? So the distance from the point on the ground to the foot of the tower. So this is the point on the ground to the foot of the tower. So this is our x here, and this is quite simple. So once you have this, your next question will be, okay, I need to use Trigo ratio. So I have this angle and I have these two sides. Is it sine, cosine or tangent 34? Then we'll use these two sides, and since this is the angle, this is the opposite, this is the adjacent, and it needs to be tangent. So tangent 34 is equal to 43 divided by x. Literally write it down, the Trigo ratio. And here we want to solve, so I need to solve for x. So the x goes to the left side on top, this one goes to the right below. It becomes like this. You press the calculator, you get the answer. So generally all angles of elevation and depression are done in the same exact way. From the story, you draw the triangle, you fill up whatever you have. Out of this and these three things, one of them will be the unknown, and then you just got to figure out, is it sine, tangent or cosine, sine, tangent or tangent or cosine or whatever, and then write the Trigo ratio and make x the subject. Yeah, so that's all. So hope you learned something. Thank you and bye bye.